Hey, so how to use the SellerSprite Chrome extension for Amazon sellers? This is video number 2. Previously, we recorded the first video that we started going into the extension of SellerSprite and how to use it. The first video is going to be in the description, along with a free trial of SellerSprite and also a coupon code to save some money on it. But this is the second part. We're going to start today from a page of a product, and we're going to start using the extension from a product page on Amazon. And we're going to go in depth as usual. Today with me, Yalchin, Amazon seller, and also part of SellerSprite team. It's nice to have Yalchin with us for the fourth time because we have previously also covered 16 tools of SellerSprite. Step by step, in depth. I appreciate, Yalchin, your attention to detail and in-depth videos because people really like it. I see it based on the watch time on YouTube and the like-dislike ratio. So thank you. Playlist is going to be in the description with all our other videos of SellerSprite. So Yalchin, please introduce yourself, man, and then we're going to start with the SellerSprite Chrome extension part 2.
Thank you, HIVOVA. It's great to be here. You are a very good friend. We have always very nice chat talking about the life, business, everything, and we cover everything. And thank you for audience for watching us today. We are gonna talk about the second part of Chrome extension from SellerSprite, how we can use it in product detail page. We will go more deep to analyze what the outstanding features we have, and we can help you to analyze to get data from your competitors, from market, from keyword, etc. And at the end, also we can share some promo code you can save to use the SellerSprite monthly or yearly plan. You are gonna have 35% of discount code. Please check it on the description as well. And when you're ready, we can start.
Let's go, man. Let's get to things and help our viewers make the most of the SellerSprite Chrome extension. Let's go.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for this opportunity again, HIVOVA. Please, guys, let's go. And also, please give us a comment or like. It would be very helpful for us and as well as for other people because we spend a lot of effort and hope you get some information helpful for your business.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, seeing it well.
Oh, okay. Guys, here we are. Last time we talked about using SellerSprite on Amazon search page. Here we explain everything. Now we are gonna talk about the SellerSprite Chrome extension in product detail page. Here we have many functions and how we can utilize it to maximize our information about the competitor market for all of our products. So first thing first, when you use SellerSprite, we have too many Chrome extensions. From here, you can see there are almost 50 different main Chrome extensions, and there are some sub tools as well. If you don't use any of them, please click here like this one, this one, this one, and you can remove it. You don't need to use. Otherwise, it's gonna make your Chrome slow down. Today, I put all of them here so we can explain and we can find out how we can use it and how we can maximize our output from here.
Wow.
When we come product detail page, for example, I go here, okay, let me find another listing to just give an example how we can use it. Come here. So we don't need to run the Chrome extension. Actually, it's going to a Chrome extension from SellerSprite work by itself. So it brings the sales graph and the BSR, how many units sold, the profit. This data will be shown on your screen without running anything. Firstly, let's go here, brand. We see brand. Secondly, we can find a brand on TikTok. Right now, I need to switch the VPN, therefore maybe it would be break, or maybe I can just say, okay, guys, we integrated the TikTok tool from SellerSprite. We have also same tool for TikTok. Its name is here. Our name is SellerSprite. On the TikTok, it's called Sprite. Now I am in China, therefore TikTok doesn't work here, unfortunately, and it's surprisingly to say TikTok is from China, but it doesn't work here. I'm in China, therefore I need to switch to VPN. But you can click here, go to find same this brand on the TikTok and find out how is the sales, how it's going, and find out every information about this brand. Okay, next go to if you click here, we are gonna go to storefront of this seller and find out what they are selling, what products they have, how many products, etc. And from here you can see also is from Hong Kong, their name, their address. You can find out. This product is the BSR in main category and the subcategory in 26. Sales graph, we are gonna see 2040 units. Last 30 days, this guy sold. Here we are gonna see variation sales, different variation. This should be the best selling variation. There are 3 variations, and the best selling variation is over 1,000 and plus. Revenue is over 354,000. Okay, if you want to find out the previous month and the days the revenue, you click either any this number. Okay, let's click it. Then we are gonna see last 2 years the revenue over the months, every month, how many units they sold. At the same time, this the green line graph indicates the sales. I'm sorry, revenue. For example, 2025 December, the peak season, they sold over 613,000 USD, and in terms of the sales units, it's over 3,245 units. So if you want to find out, you can see easily from here. Meanwhile, we can check the daily units sold. From here, easily understand how many units sold each single day. If you wanna, in the beginning, I said that there are some sub tools. From here, we can see sub tools as well, like the variation sold, BSR, price change, or price same. It seems price is quite stable last 1 year. Sometimes there are some drop, but I believe they are like some
Maybe deal.
deals, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or spring deals, or etc. And these kind of the deals. Rating, it's also kind of pretty stable, increasing. Sometimes maybe Amazon deleted some of their reviews, but it's okay. Review velocity. This is also helping us to understand if there is a huge spike, we can understand what they are doing. But the review velocity mainly same like 2020. Oh, okay, maybe this is the old listing, but new listing. I remember they began from 2024 beginning. It seems the review velocity is pretty same. It's like around 4%. So it means maybe they don't do anything like black hat or some crazy stuff. All of a sudden they got more and more reviews. We use it to understand that, okay, sometimes in some period of time, do they get crazy review or not? If they get, we go to Amazon to download their reviews and analyze in that time frame reviews what happened and why they got a lot of reviews, why they gain a lot of reviews, especially in that time. Okay, these are subtools. Next, go to the, the FBA fee is very easy. You can meanwhile click the FBA fee to analyze the profit and the loss. Gross margin, how we calculate the gross margin. Maybe I can show you quickly. For example, when we use the SellerSprite FBA calculator, the put purchasing cost like $50. I'm putting some random number, $12, and the gross margin is we remove. Okay, not to put this one. We deduct the Amazon referral fee plus Amazon FBA fee. Plus there is storage fee. After that, we are gonna say you this number is your profit because these numbers are very exact, defined fixed number. It's not going to change, but we leave product price and the shipping cost for you because it could be different. Like you can sell $50 product or 80 or $90 product for this one. So this is the exact number after reducing referral FBA and the returning fee. Returning fee we also pull from search query performance for each subcategory. You can find out what's the return rate and we dedicate that number from here. Also, we have very good the tool. We normally PPC cost for this PPC cost we suppose it as take cost. Like take cost is total advertising cost. If you put here like 10%, it means overall 10% of your revenue you are gonna spend for advertising, and we remove this. Also very very important fact, guys. You always put your advertising cost for product. Otherwise, when you start selling and you are increasing revenue, etc., etc., you would get shock, or maybe you will never be able to the profitable if you don't add your PPC cost. Never forget PPC cost. It changed a lot, but it's definitely vital important. Okay, this about profitability, and also we used FBA calculator to analyze. Okay, next one is gross margin. We said variation. There are three variations, and here are a variation tool we are gonna talk about later. The price is stable. We just check under that sub tool, and they find out price is stable, not changing. Meanwhile, we pull the data to understand here the product weight, product color, product dimension, package weight, launch date, etc. We can see all of them from here. And meanwhile, go to keyword section. Our ASIN. This ASIN has ranked over 1900 keywords. So it means they ranked and they have index for all these keywords. And they use in different part of the listing for this particular use different keywords for the, maybe in the bullet point, the title, description, backend, etc. Organic keyword like 1755 keywords are organic, and over 1000 keywords are advertising keyword. It means they are running heavily ads. So they run the PPC a lot. Meanwhile, we have the tool from keyword distribution. We are gonna talk about the more after that, but I wanna quickly show you. These are the traffic where this ASIN got over the years, like over 2 years. We find all those the traffic and show you here. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit. As you see, there are different colors, like orange color, blue color, green color. And here we have the explanation. Orange color indicates that the organic, the blue color sponsored product, and the green color sponsored brand. And this is the sponsored brand video ads. You can see all those traffic from here. And meanwhile, if you put your mouse over, you can see a ratio. What the percentage of ratio, like this week, this all the bar charts indicate one special week. Like right now, I am in March 15. That week, they got 69% of total traffic organically. Sponsored product, it's like 19%. Sponsored brand, 10%. And the sponsored brand video was 0.15%. So you can see this traffic data as well. How is the traffic distribution like most of the time it's like this one. Like 2/3 of the traffic is coming organically, and the 1/3 of the traffic is coming from advertising. This is the mature listing, get down, profitable. Everything is stable, revenue is stable, profit is stable. So this is the good scenario.
Yalchin, wanted to
Yeah.
ask you, please, if you can scroll up
Sure.
When we hover over it, the traffic is in search, no, sorry, is in impressions of or
Impression.
visitors of.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, so that's impressions on the listing. So, for example, organically we had. Can you hover over one of them? Yeah. So, for example, we had total traffic 641,365. That is what? Page views or impressions or what's the if you
This is the impression Amazon search page. For example, someone
Mhm,
come to Amazon,
mhm,
search red light therapy for face and the body.
mhm,
Our product has shown the first three page of the Amazon.
mhm,
Like this is supposed as Amazon impression.
mhm,
In search query performance, it's also similar data, similar explanation. When someone search the product,
mhm,
the buyer, they search the product on the Amazon search page, and
mhm,
our product get impression in the first three Amazon page. On the downside, we go here, we see there are many Amazon search pages here, like
mhm,
seven or
mhm,
more.
mhm,
Our product, to get this view like 537.722. This is the impression we got from the Amazon search from all the keywords. Doesn't mean that someone come
mhm,
to our listing, see the detail page. On the Amazon, we have business report. On the business report, we have page view and the it's not the like page view. This data is like the impression for overall, like from outside of the listing, not exactly from the listing.
I understand. Cool, cool. Yeah. So people see it from searching, and that's the whole total sum of all the keywords. The impressions, people just look at the, uh, well, I guess if someone searches for that keyword and just scrolls, and our product goes
Yeah,
through
yeah,
their
there.
scroll kind of behavior, this adds to these graphs in organic,
Yes,
sponsor
yes.
brands, sponsor products, and sponsor brands videos, different types of advertising plus organic. So that's the graph. And this way we can see like is our organic growing? Are some new campaigns have been launched or removed? Well, in terms of if we see suddenly like sponsor brands drops or
Mo-
goes up, etc., and organic goes up or down. So this gives us some. Oh, this is a good indicator. Yeah, there's some growth there for some reason. Maybe it's what the time is that? Week 4/12. Is this October, right?
October should
Yeah,
be some Black Friday or something like that.
probably. Yeah.
Uh, And also the traffic, like the getting our listing exactly like click or page view, they are very coherent to each other impression and the getting clicks like page views. They are very similar to each other data. But number is not the correct. If you got the 100 impression, it means you got maybe 10 clicks. They are coherent with each other because the more you get the impression, it means more you got the clicks.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Awesome.
Uh, this is the data. Also, we have if you want to understand, this is weekly. You can see weekly. If you want to understand, we have tool here to see it monthly as well.
Mm-hmm.
Now, guys, let's go down. We can do reverse ASIN. Reverse ASIN, we are gonna pull all the keywords. Just click it, and you don't need to go to Amazon inside SellerSprite inside. You can see what the keywords you have ranked, like over 1900 keywords. Meanwhile, you can find all those keywords here from up to down. You can find the keywords. Secondly, you can define click share. What the click share that means from the Seller Central Amazon, we have click share on the brand analytics and the impression share. this ASIN get over 26% of total traffic, like total clicks from, especially from this keyword. This is also very important data. This is also coming from the Amazon, guys. You can find out this guy has ranked for this keyword well, and this guy get majority of their clicks from this keyword. The next keyword is this one. From up to down, you can see if you go down 1%, 1%, many keywords, I believe they will be 1 or 0.5% of total clicks. Meanwhile, if we go right, we can understand the traffic distribution. For example, red light therapy for body, this guy last 30 days, 44% of total clicks this guy get from here is organic, and the 55% is advertising. So maybe they are running heavily ads at the same time. They ranked organically. Sometimes red light therapy for face. For example, this keyword is huge number, and it's huge number for organic. They get stuck there. They ranked organically, no problem. They are not losing even they don't run heavily ads for this keyword. But this keyword is maybe much competitive or much, I don't know what's happening. They running, or maybe their conversion is much more better in compared to this keyword and this keyword. For this keyword, they are running heavily ads. Almost half of traffic, more than half of traffic comes from advertising. So when we go down, we can see each keywords, the traffic ratio, like our product get organic or advertising clicks. Come a little right side, we are gonna see the keyword bits, exact bits. Meanwhile, you can switch to phrase or broad, both okay. You can see the first keyword, we see this guy didn't run heavily ads, but this keyword, they have more ads. One of the reasons could be these keyword speeds are slightly down, like $2.41 or 1.91, but this is pretty high, 3.47. One of the reasons it could be is this keyword is expensive, so this guy doesn't like to run the heavily ads for this product. Okay, when we come here, we also see the products, what the three main products get them, like the clicks, 13 clicks, 8 click, the 7, and likewise we can see the conversion as well. Okay, if you wanna find out what the main three products under this keyword, you can see from here. Okay, let's go to from here. If you want to find out what's the 10 main products shown after searching this keyword, you see there are many keywords our ASIN ranked. If you want to find out the products, you just click here. We are gonna pull and show you 10 main. This is also helpful to understand you are targeting right keyword or not. For example, red light therapy for face. We see this guy is coming. These are all for face. This is something else. Red light therapy for body. There are this keyword. These products. And this is kind of this is same. Almost except this one. Other products are same. Of course, we understand it's for body, but if you don't understand, or if you wanna quickly understand, you are targeting right keyword. This keyword is exactly for you. You can understand from here if the search result shows same product, so it's meaning this keyword is correct. Red light therapy, here could be different products because it doesn't say what kind of the face or body or some part of their arm or leg. red light therapy for hair growth.
Oh.
You see, our ASIN also ranked for this keyword, but this might not be correct keyword for our listing because they mainly use for hat or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, guys, if you want to analyze, just click it and then to see what the result you have, how you can use it. Keyword mining, we can use here also index checker. You can like index checker how we use. We select the ASIN and add keyword to here to see, okay, our ASIN like red light therapy is not like, let me copy from here.
Yeah.
Sorry, you're saying something?
No, I was saying, yeah. Let's go. Yeah,
Yep.
red light therapy. Yeah.
You can put the keywords here to understand easily, okay, how's the index? Did you index for this particular keyword? Yeah, you can see page one, certain position, exact location, competing products, the AB ranking, search volume of the keyword, and the purchase rate of this particular keyword, etc. You can see. This good for in the beginning. You put all the keywords here, like maybe 100 keyword, and add to a bookmark. It will be on the SellerSprite. You click here, and then we should see bookmarks here. Okay, and the bookmark it will be saved. You don't need to add keywords always. You just come here and click the book, upload the keywords, then it will be uploaded. You can see. Okay, where is your keyword ranking like for special keywords where you are right now? Okay, let's go to Ads Insight. This Ads Insight is also a very interesting tool. We covered it last video as well. It's for understanding how many PPC campaign the ASIN has. Is it the broad phrase exact match, and how is the changing? How many search terms exactly each campaign has? We can see this data. Just click it. We take you to SellerSprite, the SellerSprite Ads Insight tool. Then we understand, okay, this guy has 137 ad groups and the campaigns, and there is one sponsored product, sponsored video, and the 113 campaigns we can see from here. Meanwhile, if you have product targeting, like under product, we cannot detect it, or sponsor brand or DSP. I'm sorry, DSP and the display ads, we cannot detect it. Like product targeting ads, we cannot detect, but the keyword related, that's all here. This is last 6 months. You can switch to 3 months, 1 year, etc. And here we see different dots, like the round shape. These are indicating different time frame search terms. For example, this is the one campaign. One campaign in what time is it? The week 05, like January 25 to January 31st. The data indicates that time, especially the campaign got the keyword like 40 search terms. What were they? Just click it, and then we bring here the red light therapy panel, HOGA red light therapy. You can see all those key, search terms here. It's kind of analyzing PPC reports. Like you download the Excel, you can set a filtration on the Excel to understand, okay, what the impressions, what the search terms you got the impression from. You can find out them, and if they are different, like dots are different, sometimes bigger, sometimes smaller. Last time we also talked about it. This might be the broad campaign or auto campaign, because 1 week, next week, broad campaigns are like that. Sometimes they got many different kind of search terms, sometimes less. But if they are very similar dots like this one, mostly they are same keywords. It might be the exact campaign because it's not changing a lot. Maybe
Mm,
in these campaigns, there are 4 or 9 or 10 keywords they are getting impression and they are getting the clicks from here, but it's not changing significantly. They are mainly same. This might be exact campaign because it seems always 1 or 2 in,
mhm.
search terms. Let's see. Best school. Best school. Is this their brand name or?
Maybe brand name, yeah. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
yeah. So
yeah.
they're targeting their own
Uh,
brand name.
yes,
Like
they
the
are
France.
running the exactly brand name, exact campaign for the sponsor product, exact campaign for their brand name. Okay, guys, this is the tool Ads Insight. Ads Insight we covered with VOVA in previous videos as well, how to utilize Ads Insight. But same time, you can use it Ads Insight from Chrome extension. You just come here, click Ads Insight. We are gonna pull the data and show you. Okay, go to next one. Is it okay, Vova? I'm talking
Yeah,
too much or?
so far everything is clear. No, you're going in depth, man, and that's pretty awesome. I'll remind our viewers in the description we have the playlist where they can find, for example, ads inside, like a relevant video, which we fully cover only that tool. So that
Yeah.
playlist is useful because there people can go and find specific videos for almost all of the tools we're trying to cover of SellerSprite. So whenever someone comes, something is unclear, we make it clear, hopefully. Also, there's a free trial in the description. Coupon code HIVOVA, HIVOVA, for saving 35% off with SellerSprite. Helps with the monthly or the yearly plans. Yeah, man. So let's go to related products, the next part of the extension.
Okay, thanks. Related product. This is also finding out interesting tool. Who is targeting our product? Related product, just click it. As the Vova said, we covered this tool as well on the tool analysis, but now I wanna quickly give a glance and to talk about. When we click it, just click related to related products. It brings us the tool inside of SellerSprite, and we can see there are many, like 496 products showing our product detail page or someone is targeting us. So this orange color are indicated organic. Somehow Amazon find out that they are frequently bought together or bought after viewing our product, after viewing, purchasing our product, etc. You can see the guys how it would be helpful for us. This is the, let's begin with the advertising. Firstly, you can find out who is targeting you, and if they are targeting, maybe you can target your own product and block the position, and someone wouldn't target you, you wouldn't lose the sales. This is one. You can find out the sponsor product, sponsor advertising who is targeting us. And also, both after viewing. This is meaning we lose to someone for some products. For example, I clicked it, and he is the 58 guy. Some customers, after viewing our product, meanwhile, if you don't understand the explanation, you just bring your mouse over and you can see what BAV meaning. Also, it should be somewhere here, metric reference. Yeah, metric
Mm-hmm.
reference, you can understand what's the explanation of COB or BOB or MIE, etc.
Yes. Nice.
Uh, these guys, we are somehow losing the traffic because they target us customers purchasing these products after
Mm.
viewing our product. It might be different reasons. Well, firstly, maybe our price is expensive. Secondly, they might be bigger brands, or they might be have better, like better the listing, better position or better, I don't know, the copy. You definitely need to check out, guys, why some listings get the traffic from us and we are losing traffic for them. Or same time, you can see your own listing as well sometime here because maybe you target yourself and they buy your own product. Okay, we covered it in detail, the explanation. Please check related product. I know each single video, HIVOVA has each single video almost about any tools. Thank you for great effort. Meanwhile, I need to appreciate it, HIVOVA.
Thank you, man. Thank you for being a guest and kind of sharing and talking, and that's cool, man. Thank you.
Welcome, Liz. Okay, next go to market analysis. Market analysis is also a perfect tool to understand what's happening in the market. To over very broad view, just click it and it takes us our SellerSprite and it shows us our subcategory. The next one, click here to understand view market analysis report. We analyze the 100 products and they see there are 61 brands, 64 sellers. You can see these numbers are average of 100 products. But if we go down, we are gonna see the detail. Market is totally upwards because sales and the revenue is increasing. We are gonna see a listing concentration, how listing concentration changed, distributed among different sellers, different listings. Meanwhile, there are two colors. The orange color is the products launched between 6 months or ago. But we see there are some products, they came to market last 6 months. This purple color indicates those products which launched last 6 months. So you can see there are pretty many products that launched last 6 months. It means market is accepting new coming seller, new listings. So it's kind of good, but don't be hyped because sometimes there are big hype and later it's going to down, or maybe there are many hype, many people coming to market and the competition is more, you are gonna lose the profit. Pay attention, but it's overall good indications that there are many sellers coming to market. And the same thing is for brand concentration. This brand, they have several products and they're constantly launching. They launch this product, this product, this product. Yeah, they are launching new products. They have right now 6 products and 4 of them launched within 6 months. Guys, you can analyze it. We have also dedicated video about the market analysis. Meanwhile, you can run it from here. Just click it, market analysis. It's going to analyze your overall subcategory. Next one is listing builder. Just click it. We are going to SellerSprite listing builder tool, and we pull all the data and the keyword related to this product. And for example, you see here is the title, product characters. You can find out if you wanna search volume, you can activate the search volume, and you can add some keywords. Just click it, the create new listing, and here we have. Okay, you can put here like as many as the keyword you have, and then create this tool works with AI as well. You collect the keyword and you pull the keyword and add here. Then we just click the SellerSprite. We can create a AI listing. I mean, write the listing with AI. For example, I copy this listing, ASIN, and enter ASIN here. And import the keywords. All the keywords are here. Now you can write by AI, but I wouldn't recommend, guys. It's better you can use it manually. For example, use a product title. That's the product title. If you wanna generate it with the AI, I'm not enter the keyword product characteristic. I'm not sure why it's this is the data we pulled and we show this is the current listing like this one. how you want to change, we need to add some keywords here. Then we can update, we can generate it like best school. This is their right now title. If we add the keyword like product characteristic, like what should I write? Then the uh, heavy duty or body said message. You need to add the product characters here. Target audience like older man who has back pain.
Mm-hmm.
You need to add there. If you want to avoid any characters, you can put here.
Mm-hmm.
And the brand name, you can put the brand name on the title or not. Let's put the brand name is Max Orion. The formal casual, write it the casual. I don't know why it doesn't work, but normally I'm not sure where after enter the keyword product characteristic, the product characteristic I added already.
Mm-hmm.
So after normally it should work. The click here generate with AI. So
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna create rewrite this. This is the listing, and I added the audience keywords, and some product characteristic here. So they should generate AI listing, new listing. For example, click more, click more, click more, and it's gonna create a AI listing for you. But I wouldn't recommend. Maybe you can create, but later you can change it manually. It's always better to check manually, right? Mostly we are doing same VOA. When we create something with AI, we need to check at
Yeah,
least
yeah,
at a
yeah.
glance.
100%.
Okay,
All right.
guys, let's go to next tool. 1688. Meanwhile, we make it the finding product from 1688 or Alibaba very easily. We have tool here, just the 1688. Just click it, and we are gonna pull and show you exactly same product, like who is selling this product, what's the sales, and the uh, like what's the price. You can just click it. I hope 1688 is working for you there, but 1688 is the Alibaba internal version inside of China. Alibaba is global version, but 1688 is the for inside of China. If you want to find out the cheaper product, you can utilize 1688 because it's much cheaper, but it's kind of also a little bit difficult for foreigners. If you have some foreign friends or sourcing agents, they can help you. But directly by yourself, it wouldn't recommend to buy product from 1688. Yeah, it's cheap, but wouldn't recommend. So by using 1688, you can find any product like maybe this one. You can go to here and click the 1688. It's working with image recognition. So bring product the same very quickly. Like you can see product one, product two, product three. You can see all those products are same product what we are looking for from the Amazon. Okay, let's go to next tool. Same, we can use Alibaba. Click Alibaba. We are gonna find and bring you same product on Alibaba easily. Easily we understand what's a product, and meanwhile you can chat and send message to all those sellers. What's the price? If you wanna get quote and find out the product price, customizable, very easily. You can quickly get this information. Okay, TikTok influencers. If you click this one, we are gonna pull you and find out on the TikTok. Previously, someone promoted this product on the TikTok. You can see these guys promoted this product or very similar product on TikTok. You can find out there the total sales, follower, for example, this guy has over 7,600 followers, average views, engagement rate. If you want to find out the more data, just click it. It's gonna go to CallSprite, our another tool for the TikTok seller. You can find, or if you want to view influencer profile, just click it. It's gonna take you TikTok. Sorry, my TikTok is not working
Yeah.
here because of that's forbidden.
Yeah.
You can find it will work for you. No worry.
Mm-hmm.
You can find all those TikTok related data, or if you want to click this one, view more related creators, you are gonna go to CallSprite and find out more the creators.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's go to brand checker.
Mm-hmm.
For example, in this brand, you can just like best. It means the keywords use some the brand like best cool or best cool or something like that. This these keywords are branded, but most of them like therapy, high power, ideal. These keywords are like daily use keyword. It's no problem, but best school, it's definitely brand we see from here. And this data is using to brands global brand database to detect any of these keywords are branded keyword or ideal word is part of one trademark.
Mm-hmm.
We highlight it here. Okay, a moment. You say here is those brands. A moment. Even there is a brand name is a moment active. If you want to find out who is the brand owner or active word branded is the branded keyword, but it doesn't mean we cannot use it. We can use, of course, but it's branded keyword. If you want to find out who is the owner, just click it. We take you again here, and
Mm-hmm.
we see this is the active. You see this active 2, active 3, active 4, or active. So this brand should be very old or something like that. This is their brand name. Active is someone's brand name somehow. So this is the branding. Just remove it. How to remove? I don't know. Okay, maybe just update the listing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to next tool, like the AI review analysis. This is also a very perfect tool from SellerSprite, but we have recently problem because recently Amazon doesn't show all the reviews to everyone. You
Mm-hmm.
should be doing frequently shopping on the Amazons and you can see all the reviews, but it's not as the previous. We might not see all the reviews. But basically, how the tool is working, like when you click the AI review analysis, it takes all those 1,693 reviews to put on the ChatGPT on the backend, analyze and create report. What the customers like, what they don't like, how is their like how is their opinion about the okay, I need to log in. How is the impression about the product, what they like, what kind of problem save us. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
what they don't like the product, maybe you can improve that part of the product to come to with better idea, like okay, you can optimize handling, maybe you can optimize downside, you can optimize some part. You see this review is collected, and in our view we can see the here we have the what they like or what they don't like, what the percentage of review is coming from someone, and the variation. The first variation we saw, this variation got majority of the reviews, like 95 or 94%. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
anyway, this is the tool we covered previously also.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's talk Download reviews. This also download the reviews as a extent like the Excel.
Mm-hmm.
And very important. I always use this tool before launching the product to analyze our competitors. Like download image, if we click download images, you see it's listing image, you can download it easily. If you select all, it's gonna download images and the videos all together. Just download
Mm-hmm.
here. I recommend download it separately, the image different, video different. Meanwhile, click it, download the A plus. You can download A plus the
Yes.
photos from here easily, or mostly download customer images. It means download customers review image. For example, right now in this browser, as I said a little ago, Amazon hide the reviews from the someone is not doing frequently shopping. In this browser, I don't buy something.
Mm-hmm.
My buyer profile is another one.
Yeah.
Now, Amazon doesn't show us the images, but normally, if you are doing shopping and click this download customer images, SellerSprite will collect all the images on the review section. It's helping a lot to understand what if there is an insert cart or how a product seems, how is the
Mm-hmm.
boxing, how is the packaging, what's inside of the product. So if you analyze the product images from the reviewers, it's going to help you a lot to understand how is the product of your competitors and how you can improve it.
Mm-hmm.
Download related videos, it means also download a related video from listing. Doesn't mean here or A plus or like maybe some Amazon creators gave the video about your product. Okay, this is the listing, the some part of the listing, Chrome extensions. Now we can go this site. Vova, is it okay?
Yeah, pretty clear so far. Again, in the description, we have playlist with all the videos about SellerSprite. If people want to go in depth into certain parts, and free trial, and also coupon code, as well as you mentioned. Yeah, currently I've seen it also in the last maybe week or something, maybe a few weeks. Yeah, just have less reviews showing up on the page, and then you can click on a button that says something like uh, give me like send me more reviews, something like that, show more reviews, and then Amazon gives like a message, thank you, we will get back to you and update you if we decide that you can see more reviews. This is what I've seen in the last maybe 1 week or 2 weeks, so I understand that's why also there's some nuances with the tool of review
Yeah.
downloads, but let's see how it unfolds. It's just recent, but hoping for for them to give us access to reviews again. But you never know, right?
Yes,
It's a
yes.
roller
Amazon
coaster.
is kind of mystery too.
Yeah, yeah. Well, okay, we can continue to the upper part of the extension. Yeah, please.
Okay, sure. Here we have variation.
Hmm.
Okay, we see this variation is sold. The first variation 1000 plus, and it is this one is like 50 plus, 50 plus. It means between 50 to 100. But this is the main listing. They say more. This is selling more. Review count. You can see review rating like 780 reviews are came for this first listing, and the 94% total review is coming from here. This is review, not a rating. Just please pay attention, and you can see launch date, etc. Next, we can see Keepa trends, and the Keepa, also line graph. How is the sales? And how was the PSR? How was the product price? Keepa tracks all the products since the launch date. You can see here everything related to previous 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, etc. Furthermore, we integrated AI insight inside of this Keepa trend. How we can use it? Just click it, AI insight. So Firstly, we pulled the data from the Keepa since the product launch date because the Keepa tracks all the products since they launched. And when the product BSR was changed, price was changed, they detect it and they highlight right somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
So this data is collected and they keep somewhere, and we integrated that Keepa trend with AI. How it works, we pick up that Keepa trend and they put the AI, and right now that report is being generating right now. We pull that data from the Keepa and to put AI to analyze what happened in some specific time to this ASIN and how it affected next month and how was that affection comparison with today. Here we have, you see, there are nine different dimensions or nine different facts we checked, like initial assessment, operation launch time, listing launch in 2719, November 27, 2019. And firstly, price was 1,399. And March 7, 2020, how is the PSR? And 101 days after product was listed, and approx this indicate first order came after
Mm-hmm.
3.5 months. And the rating count analysis, review acquisition, how review in the 2019-2020 initial period, December to rating grow slowly from 1 to 21. We see, okay, this guy got like the how many reviews in 21 reviews in the beginning of the this time frame.
Mm-hmm.
December 2nd to the May 26th, like that time, 5 months or 6 months, they got only 21 reviews. And what was that review? What was the average? They gave, etc. We can analyze that time frame, even exactly that time, the beginning of 2020.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Here was the anonymity, like December 8, 2025, review dropped from 1570 to 1521, like 49 reviews deleted or something like that.
Mm-hmm.
AI detect all this data to analyze to show you everything. Also, it's like the third one is related to pricing. Maybe one group of video, Vova, we can talk about only AI SellerSprite tools, what the AI tools we have and how it works. But here I want to just say it a little bit quickly. You see, guys, pricing strategy. Sometimes they did some the price changing, how it
Mm-hmm.
affected the sales, and after affecting the sales, how that sales affected the review rating. It's very difficult for us to understand who they did something, some promotion 4 months ago, and that promotion affected changing the PSR, and that PSR affected the review gathering, etc. But AI is analyzing. AI is very good for analyzing specific data and create report, like as we see here. If they have FBA stock out, they out of stock, maybe yes or maybe not. Brand protection and the hijacking, if happened or not. You can see factors affecting ranking, like we analyze reviews, pricing, review average, discount, different Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals, category, etc. Sub items, sales and the seasonality. If there is a season, what happened? When is the season? What is the best season, etc. We can find here. Product life
Mm-hmm.
cycle or overall summary. What happened? Has seen on the Amazon since November. Progress, early optional challenges, FBA stockouts, they were out of stock, accumulated over 1,700 reviews with stable average 4.6, 4.7, or variation sold, how it happened. You can see all this, the product is filmed in the mature state. Yeah, I found it because they have been on market long time and their sales are stable. Therefore, somehow they found it the mature state. And you can see all this data by using Keepa analysis and the Keepa AI Insight. When you run it, you are gonna understand what happened for your competitor product or maybe your own product to validate with your own product first.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, let's go to keyword distribution. We just talked about a little bit ago, like how it works. Basically, guys, it works like where this guy got the impression. Mainly sponsor product, sponsor brand video, or sponsor brand, and organically. You can find week by week where this guy is getting this ASIN gets the impression. Okay, AI review analysis. We just run the AI review analysis and talk a little bit ago. It works from here and here same AI review analysis. As Vova said, Amazon doesn't show us all the reviews. We can request to show us all the reviews, and then Amazon might decide they can show us or not. But if you are doing shopping, frequently buying something from the Amazon, maybe weekly or maybe twice a week or something like that, then it shouldn't be a problem. In same browser, same account, same buyer account, you should log in and you should be logged in so you can see the reviews and this Chrome extension will work because Amazon show the reviews on the browser, so SellerSprite can pull all those data related reviews.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, next one is marketplace. If we click it, we're gonna find out in different marketplaces someone is selling this product or not. Then just let's. Sometimes it doesn't work. Just wait a bit. So we can see someone is selling this product or view non-selling marketplace. Yeah. On this market, France, Japan, Germany, Australia, no one is selling this product. Only in USA and the United Arab Emirates, someone is selling this product. Here we see monthly sales, but here, in the UAE, someone is selling, but they didn't get any sales. Maybe some drop shipping guys listed.
Yeah.
This is also kind of not good way, but if you wanna, you can try. You find a product which is good sales, which has the good sales in USA, and maybe you might list in Australia or UAE or Singapore. This is kind of drop shipping, but not exactly. They say different name, China arbitrage or something like that. You make the product in China and send to Australia or Singapore or UAE or other countries to sell in those countries same product with same listing because you are gonna have images, videos, reviews, everything get ready because they have already. Okay, next go to Keyword Explorer. This is the tool to understand which part of your listing you are using different keywords. Probably they have over 1,500 or 2,000 keywords, and how is those keywords. This data is also coming from brand analytics like red light therapy, red light panel. Our ASIN is one of them. In the third place, if you want to quickly find out what's the best keyword of the product, you can use this Keyword Explorer tool from SellerSprite. Any product, you come here, and if you want to find out the best keyword, just click it and red light therapy. And because this keyword is kind of, this guy is getting more impression and more clicks. So that keyword should be the ASIN's main keyword. You see LED light therapy blue were red light therapy. This is the main keyword of this guy. If you want to find the more, you just click it, and we take you Keyword Explorer tool from SellerSprite. We previously covered this video, this tool as well. You can find out last week only three keywords. If you want to find monthly, you just switch to monthly. You can see if this guy got monthly only one keyword, it got the top impression share or click share. Okay, traffic comparison. This is the click to go to again the traffic keyword distribution tool, or also similar with traffic comparison. For example, this is the comparison of different organic Amazon choice. This guy doesn't have Amazon choice. Editor. Let's go to this is the better sales.
Yeah.
So sales give the better. Come to traffic comparison. Yeah. We see organic keyword. They don't have any Amazon choice editorial recommendation. They have 23 high rated keyword, 400 sponsor product keyword, sponsor brand video, sponsor product video. They don't have sponsor product, sponsor brand. Sorry, sponsor brand keyword. They have huge number of, maybe that's a big brand, I didn't know. They have over 900 keyword for sponsor brand. So guys, if you want to find out what the keywords are, you just click it, and you are gonna find the keywords here. What the keywords are, like the come down. Yeah, you see the keywords. The keywords are here. It's also, again, the dedicated tool. We previously covered this video with HIVOVA. You can find out here it works as a Chrome extension, quick view. But if you want to find out more detail, you just click and it will take you to SellerSprite tool to show you everything. Okay, 3D model. This is also, we work with one agency. You can create a 3D model. It's gonna create some illustration with you know, on the Amazon in last photo sections. There is a things you can add your product in different model, and the customers can watch you. Okay, if they purchase your product, how it's gonna shows in their home. I believe that was good, but I think it's not that the successful model for Amazon. So this is the how it works. If you wanna build your product like that, you can build 3D model and contact this buyer. Contact to this service provider. It's working with us, and you can create this AI 3D model for your product. It works mainly for some furniture or maybe some sensitive kitchen product or table, how it will be seen in your office or in your home or in your kitchen. You can just in the beginning, it's free. You can just definitely check out what you can do 3D modeling for your product from here. Okay, we check also 1688 before. Lastly, we can see the check patent. Click it. If this product has a design patent, we are gonna find and show you. Click it, search now, and then we analyze global like the global database to see is it this product patented. Okay. We find, okay, this guy patented this product. It doesn't mean you cannot sell. Maybe you can change a little bit, or this guy patented this product a long time ago. Now it expired. You can do whatever. But here is the patented, like you see red light therapy. And this guy patented this one. Just click it to see what they did as a patent. This one, this one, this one, this one. You see from the different angle, patent number, patent name, United States, the Shenzhen Laiguan Technology. This is the owner when they filed it, and the valid application date, publication date, currently patented, expire in 2036. So you can see all the patent related data. Actually, this product is patented, but it's okay. You can do similar. Maybe you can change two or three part of this product and it becomes new product, so you can sell it, no problem. Uh, this number is descending, like this is the first guy, this is the next guy, this is the next guy similar to our product, this is the next, and you can see similarity percentages 79, 78, 77, 77. And on the downside, if you see CN, it means the patented in China. CN patented in China, China. This is patented in USA. Meanwhile, if you put here the country like WIPO, Europe, or Japan, China, etc., you can select the different countries to filter out which you want to see. Okay, I selected USA. Now I'm gonna see only products who has the patent USA. This is the first guy. It's first. This is the next guy. 70%. You can filter out to understand. Okay, who is the patented in USA? In China, if someone patented, doesn't much make a sense because you can sell in USA, but same time be careful because some products patented, they file the patent in USA, but it doesn't approve yet. It takes 1 to 2 years. So you can start selling same product after they got the approved patent. They can comply you to Amazon. Then you know Amazon is very sensitive for patented stuff or counterfeit products. So this is the patent database you can utilize for your competitors or find a product or find similar product to understand. Here we covered almost everything today in the product detail page, how you can utilize SellerSprite Chrome extension. Okay, this is from me, Vova.
Yeah, thanks for going in depth through all the parts. In the description, again, I'm going to help a free trial for people to try out SellerSprite and see how it works for them. It's like 3-day free trial, I believe. There's a link. By using the link, and in case you're gonna invest in SellerSprite, I'm gonna get a little commission from the deal. There's no extra cost to you, but this way we can keep the content free with no paid walls. So thank you. There's gonna be also a coupon code HIVOVA, which helps save money, HIVOVA, and playlist with all the videos of SellerSprite. Yalchin, if you have a minute or two, maybe we can go through the pricing page just to explain what types of pricing we have for SellerSprite, and this can help people understand maybe what's the cost and what plans there are.
Here we have the pricing section. You can understand the basic standard plan, and meanwhile you can do monthly or annually, the 1 month and or 1 year. If you got the fine with 1 month or 2 months, you feel it's fine. Yearly, it's also pretty cheap. You see, it's get 390. But if you use the HIVOVA code, you are gonna get the 35% discount. It's almost costing you maybe the less than the $18 monthly if you are planning to sell on Amazon. And this cost would be pretty easy for you because the SellerSprite is helping to get data a lot. So it could be helpful for find a keyword, find the data, find everything, and it's not costing too much. If you buy the yearly plan with HIVOVA code, I believe it should be just $18, $19. So in terms of the what's the section 39, here we have we can see all the data, product sales, revenue, keyword, etc., except the tracking data like the tracking keyword, tracking ASIN, product tracking, or keyword tracking. If you wanna get the product tracking and the keyword tracking, everything under one, so you can use the standard plan. And if you use the HIVOVA code, you are gonna get 30.
You can, bless you, Yalchin. You can enter it in the coupon code field. It is gonna cross the prices off on the right upper. We can go back, Yalchin. It was there on the page. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
There's the coupon code field on the right upper side. So if you input it there, um, so you can then use. Yeah, right, exactly. So it's like HI.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Uh,
So it's HIVOVA. And then once you click apply, it's gonna without the 30, just HI. Yeah, just like that, exactly. So then you click on apply, and then it will take you to this page. Yeah, exactly. So then
okay.
people can see the how much it's with the discount, etc. And
Let me go back to talk.
yeah,
Is it okay?
yeah.
Uh, Anything you wanted to add? Sorry.
Oh, you just wanted to mention in the lower part, there's also a view list of features. You can also check that out. What exactly comes with the what's unlimited, where's the some limits.
Okay, okay. Let me go back to. Uh, then we record the pricing page again.
Uh, Sorry, Yalchin, I lost you. Do you mean you want to re-record it, or what do you mean?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. If yeah, okay, cool. Let's do it. No problem.
Okay. Here we are in the pricing section. You can see money annually or monthly.
Hmm.
For example, if you are satisfied 1 month, 2 months, you can just purchase yearly and see it. Okay, guys, monthly it's 39 and the 79. What's the basic difference is the tracking. But we have a coupon code, as we mentioned, HIVOVA. You can use it to get discount, and it's also helpful for us to create the free content for all the sellers on the YouTube and some other platforms watching. Hi, Vova. You use this coupon code. Meanwhile, you see we got this like $32, $64. Previously, it was 79. Now it's 64. Previously, it was 39. It's now 32. You can get kind of the huge discount. It's over 30%, like 35% off. You got the discount for the monthly plan. If you want to find yearly plan, just switch to yearly plan. Here we have again 35% discount code with HIVOVA, and it's kind of saving money for you and for us as well. Okay. What's the difference? Difference, we can go to back to see difference. When we come down, view the features. Here we have the feature Keepa AI analysis 100 report daily, data export 50 export daily. If you need keyword, rest of the other free tools are free for everyone. You can use it unlimited. The others, reverse ASIN, index checker, keyword mining, all this data are same. Just what's the difference? You can see if you use the like this data, this is the Keepa AI and the keyword product tracking are available from this standard plan. For basic plan, this one doesn't have. Okay, well, you wanna add something?
Yeah, again, I'll mention that in the description there's going to be a link to sign up, get a free trial, and the coupon code HIVOVA helps save 35%. There's a playlist of all the videos we've created so far with Yalchin and about different parts of SellerSprite. We have covered the basic 16 tools in different videos. There's like two big webinars, and there's this, we cut them into smaller parts. It's all in the playlist in the description. So hopefully you, the viewer, can make the most out of SellerSprite for your business on Amazon. So you can do your research for products or improve your listings, improve your PPC. There's a lot, and the playlist will help you navigate. And Yalchin, thank you for today. Thanks for, as usual, going in depth, explaining step by step for sellers how to use SellerSprite. And I'm really grateful. Also grateful for Darai to be connecting us and also be helping in the process. She's the affiliate manager. So thank you, Darai. And everyone watching, keep going. We're gonna make it step by step, step by step. Thank you, Yalchin.
Thank you, Vova. I appreciate your time. In the morning, you wake up and record the video. You are
Yeah,
always kind and helpful. I really appreciate. And also, guys, I appreciate your patience. You are here with us, listen the video, and we hope we could help a little bit to your Amazon business, how to find keyword, how to find the product, how to find the exact the match the keyword for your business. It would be happy for us as well to be valuable for your business.
yeah,
Thank you for watching. Please give us comment and a like. Whatever you can do, it helps us a lot. You
sure.
wouldn't believe how much helpful a lot. Maybe 1 second you just push the okay like, but it's really matter for us and it's helping too much. Thank you for watching.
It does. It does. Thank you, Yalchin. Be well, man. Have a great day, and all the best to you, man. Thank you.
Thank you.